MCQs related to history of genetics. Genetics, what is it? Genetics is the study of heredity, the process in which a parent passes certain genes on to their children. हेरिडिटी की स्टडी को जेनेटिक्स कहते हैं। हेरिडिटी एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें पेरेंट्स अपने जीन्स अपने चिल्ड्रन में पास करते हैं। जीन्स किसे कहते हैं? जीन्स आर द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ हेरिडिटी। Gregor Mendel is often called the father of genetics because he was the first person to discover how traits are passed from parents to offspring. ग्रेगर मेंडल को फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स कहा जाता है क्योंकि वो पहला शख्स था जिसने पी प्लांट के ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट किए और ये डिस्कवर किया कि ट्रेड्स किस तरह से पेरेंट्स से ऑफस्प्रिंग में पास होते हैं। एमसीक्यूज नंबर 1। द innate tendency of offspring to resemble their parents is called option 1 variation, option 2 heredity, option 3 genetics, option 4 resemblance. The correct answer is heredity. MCQs number 2. The tendency of offspring to differ from their parents is called option 1 variation, option 2 heredity, option 3 genetics, option 4 resemblance. The correct answer is variation. MCQs number 3. Who is regarded as the father of genetics? Option 1 Bateson, option 2 Morgan, option 3 Mendel, option 4 Watson. The correct answer is Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel is regarded as the father of genetics. MCQs number 4. Mendel's experimental material was option number 1 Pisum sativum, option number 2 Lithyrus odoratus, option number 3 both A and B, option number 4 none of these. The correct answer is Pisum sativum. MCQs number 5. Mendel findings were rediscovered by option number 1 De Vries, option number 2 Corans, option number 3 Shermack, option number 4 all of the above. The correct answer is all of above. MCQs number 6. The physical expression of a character is called option number 1 genotype, option number 2 phenotype, option number 3 ecotype, option number 4 morphology. The correct answer is phenotype. MCQs number 7. During his experiments, Mendel called the genes by the term option number 1 traits, option number 2 factors, option number 3 characters, option number 4 qualities. The correct answer is factors. MCQs number 8. The unit of heredity refer to which of the following given options? Option number 1 alleles, option number 2 genes, option number 3 DNA, option number 4 none of the above. The correct answer is genes. Genes are the unit of heredity. MCQs number 9. Mendel published a paper entitled option number 1 experiments in plant hybridization, option number 2 experiments on animals, option number 3 proceedings of natural history, option number 4 none. The correct answer is experiments in plant hybridization. Mendel published a paper entitled Experiments in Plant Hybridization. MCQ is number 10. Mendel took dash contrasting characteristics of pea plants. Option number 1 6, option number 2 7, option number 3 8, option number 4 9. The correct answer is 7. Mendel took 7 contrasting traits of pea plant. MCQ is number 11. What according to Mendel was responsible for the inheritance of specific traits? Option number 1 alleles, option number 2 genes, option number 3 factors, option number D none. The correct answer is factors. MCQs number 12. What branch of biology focuses on the study of patterns of inheritance? Option number 1 physiology, option number 2 molecular biology, option number 3 genetics, option number 4 ecology. The correct answer is genetics. Genetics focuses on the study of patterns of inheritance. MCQs number 13. The process of transfer of characters from parents to offspring is referred to as option number 1 inheritance, option number 2 heritage, option number 3 genetics, option number 4 variation. The correct answer is inheritance. MCQs number 14. Who proposed the laws of inheritance in living organisms? Option number 1 Gregor Mendel, option number 2 James Watson, option number 3 Francis Crick, Option number 4, Erwin Chargaff. The correct answer is Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel proposed the laws of inheritance in living organisms, and he proposed three laws: laws of dominance, law of segregation, and the law of independent assortment. MCQs number 15. What technique in plant biology was used by Gregor Mendel to derive the patterns of inheritance? Option number 1, hybridization. Option number 2, mutagenesis. Option number 3, exportation. Option number 4, importation. The correct answer is hybridization.